My name is Steven Axel Gitili. Let me start with a simple question. Who here using toothbrushes morning? Of course, all of us did. Now here's another question. How many of you are using a plastic toothbrush? Most of us are. But have you ever asked ourselves, where does that toothbrush go after 3 months? Every year, the world produces over 400 million tons of plastic, and nearly half of it is single-use plastics, items we use once and throw away. Did you know that globally we throw away over 1 billion plastic toothbrushes every year? Plastic does not disappear. It can take 400 to 500 years to decompose. That means that the toothbrushes you use as a child may still exist when your great-great-grandchildren are alive. In fact, plastic production contributes to about 3 to 4% of global greenhouse gas emissions. And this number is expected to increase. So when we talk about single-use plastics, we're not just talking about waste, we're talking about climate change. Now here's the exciting part. What if I told you that one small switch in your bathroom could help? Switching from a plastic toothbrush to a bamboo toothbrush. Let's compare. Plastic toothbrush, made from fossil fuels, non-biodegradable, stays in landfills for centuries. Bamboo toothbrush, made from natural and renewable bamboo, biodegradable handle, bamboo grows quickly without needing harmful chemicals. If one person switches to a bamboo toothbrush, they can prevent up to about 300 plastic toothbrushes from polluting Earth in their lifetime. Now imagine, if 100 students switch, they can prevent over 30,000 fewer plastic toothbrushes. If 1,000 people switch, they can prevent over 300,000 fewer plastic waste. Small action, big impact. Let me ask you, is it difficult to switch toothbrushes? Does it cost the earth less when you choose sustainable options? Are we willing to make small sacrifices for a healthier planet? Change does not always require something big. Sometimes it starts with something as small as a toothbrush. Today, I challenge everyone here. Be mindful of your plastic use. Refuse single-use plastics when you can. Switch to reusable and sustainable alternatives and consider starting with your toothbrush. Let us prove that small habits can create powerful change.